everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends. We're so happy you're here today.
Today we have a very fun and delicious story for you.
Yes. Today's lesson is called A Fun Night Making Pizza at Home.
This is an easy English listening story for A2 level learners.
We will speak clearly and not too fast.
And we will practice vocabulary, useful sentences, and small conversations.
So relax, get comfortable, and maybe get a snack.
Because today we're talking about pizza. Okay, Jack, let's start the story. Last Saturday night, I felt bored.
Oh no. Why were you bored?
I didn't have any plans. I stayed at home all day.
What did you do during the day?
I cleaned my room, watched some TV, and checked my phone.
Sounds like a normal day.
Yes, but in the evening, I wanted to do something fun.
So what did you do?
I called my family and said, "Let's make pizza at home tonight."
That's a great idea. Repeat after us. I felt bored. I wanted to do something fun. Let's make pizza at home. Very good. So Emma, what do we need to make pizza?
Good question. First, we need the ingredients.
Let's learn some cooking vocabulary.
We need flour, water, yeast, salt, tomato sauce, cheese, vegetables, chicken or meat.
Repeat slowly. Flour, cheese, tomato sauce. Great job.
We checked the kitchen.
Did you have everything?
No, we didn't have enough cheese.
Oh no. That's important.
Yes. So my brother went to the supermarket.
Good teamwork. Mini role play at the supermarket. Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I need cheese for pizza.
How much do you need?
Just 1 pack, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Now you practice both roles.
When my brother came back, we started making the dough.
What is dough?
Dough is the soft mixture we use to make bread or pizza.
Ah, okay.
First, we put flour in a big bowl.
Then what?
We added water, yeast, and a little salt.
Did you mix it?
Yes, we mixed everything with our hands.
Let's learn some important verbs. Mix, add, pour, cut, bake. Repeat, mix, add, bake. Excellent.
After mixing, we had to wait.
Why?
Because the dough needs time to grow.
Oh, it becomes bigger.
Yes, it grows for about 1 hour.
While you were waiting, what did you do?
We prepared the toppings.
What toppings did you choose?
I chose mushrooms and olives.
Nice.
My brother chose chicken and onions.
And your parents?
My father loves spicy food. He added chili flakes.
Wow. Spicy pizza. Okay, everything sounds perfect. Did something go wrong?
Of course, something always goes wrong.
Tell me.
When we rolled the dough, it was too sticky.
Sticky means it sticks to your hands.
Yes, it was very sticky.
What did you do?
We added more flour.
Good solution.
Finally, we put the toppings on the pizza.
Tomato sauce first?
Yes. First sauce, then cheese, then toppings.
Perfect order.
Then we put the pizza into the oven.
How long did you bake it?
About 15 minutes.
That must have smelled amazing.
Yes, the kitchen smelled wonderful.
Waiting for pizza is hard.
Yes, we felt excited and hungry.
What did you do while waiting?
We talked and laughed.
About what?
About funny memories from last year. Then, the oven beeped.
Ding. Time is up.
My father carefully took the pizza out.
Was it beautiful?
Yes, the cheese was melted and golden.
That sounds delicious.
We cut the pizza into slices.
How many slices?
8 slices.
So, how did it taste?
It was amazing.
Really?
Yes, it was fresh, warm, and full of flavor.
Was it better than restaurant pizza?
Maybe not perfect, but it was special.
Why?
Because we made it together.
After eating, what did you do?
We cleaned the kitchen together.
Good habit.
Yes, cooking is fun, but cleaning is important too. That night, I learned something important.
What did you learn?
You don't need expensive restaurants to have fun.
That's true.
Simple activities at home can be special.
Especially with family.
Now it's your turn.
Today we learned cooking vocabulary, kitchen verbs, past simple tense, feelings and expressions, daily conversation.
And we listened to a fun, simple story.
Small practice, big progress.
Keep practicing every day.
Bye everyone.
See you in the next lesson.